Hi everyone, welcome to our online session of sports, health and physical education. Today we will be discussing about the most loved sport around the world, that is football. We will be starting with the basics and we will move further with a detailed discussion about this game in our coming sessions. In today's session we will be discussing about the basics, that is the measurements related to the field of football, the measurement of goalpost, etc. First of all, tell me the shape of football field. Is it a round shape? No, it isn't. Then it must be the square. It's not a square as well. Yes, as you can see on your screen, the football field is a shape of rectangle. The football field is having a rectangle shape. So let's start our session. This line you see on your screen are called as touch lines or side lines. The length of this line is in between 90 to 120 meters. It varies dependent upon the size of your ground. For international matches, it's around 100 to 110 meters. The next line you see are called as goal lines or back lines. The length of this line is in between 45 to 90 meters. For international matches, it's around 64 to 75 meters in between. The next line you're gonna see is called as a center line. Center line divides the field into two equal parts. The shape of the field turns into a rectangular shape. There is a center point or a center mark at the midpoint of center line. A circle is drawn with a radius of 9.15 meter, or we can say as a 10-yard circle. Then as you can see, there are goal posts placed at the middle of each goal line where all the scoring is being done. Then there is a penalty mark in front of goal post at around 11 meters from the midpoint of a goal post. The next part you see is two small boxes in front of your post. They are called as goal area or a 6-yard box, which is 5.5 meters from a goal line, also referred as a small d. Then there are big boxes called as 18-yard box or big D, referred as penalty area, which is around 16.5 meters from a goal line or 18-yard box as said. The next thing is a penalty arc. Penalty arc is being drawn from a penalty spot towards the center of penalty area. As you will see in this video, the penalty arc is drawn at 9.15 meter from a penalty spot. Then there are few other points or other marks which are not are so compulsory, or we can say which are optional marks. You can also see the four corners, which is said to be the flag post. The arc is drawn in the playing area from the flag post at 1.5 meter radius. There are four flag posts or four corners to the field. As we said about the optional lines or optional points, there is an optional point at 9.15 meter from the arc, which is not compulsory or which we will be not discussing. The lines marked or the lines drawn should not be broader than 12 centimeter as stated by international regulations. Now let's discuss the size of goal post. The distance of inner post is 7.32 meter or 8 yards, and the height of post is 2.44 meter or 8 feet from ground to crossbar. Fine, that's all for today's session. I hope you all enjoyed it and learned from it. Thanks for watching the video.